Alright, daily video number 45. Look, today's topic is called Fuck Halfway Up the Mountain, Aim for the Top, Aim for the Peak. Look, we live in an age today, and I know you'll agree, where we reward stupidity, we applaud foolishness, and of course, we give people a medal just for participating. Now look, get me right, I'm all for encouraging people to get out there and give things a go. But there has to be a point where we draw a line in the sand and we recognize that we're also conditioning people for it to be okay to not give 100%, to be okay with mediocrity. And the problem with that is that if you've got goals and things that you want to achieve, you're simply not going to get to the point you want to get to if you're only going fucking 80%, or if you're okay with failing, or if you're okay at coming last. And if you want to make an impact on this world, and if you want to make changes with yourself and your business and your life, then starting to be, I guess, the kind of person that likes to win and literally won't be satisfied unless they're giving it their absolute best, that's the thing that's going to give you that success. That's the thing that's really going to start to, I guess, really make a dent in your life and make it where you want it to be. So look, today's takeaway, because this is a short video, I'm trying to make these shorter and shorter each time, but today's takeaway is, fuck going halfway up the mountain and then, being happy to go, oh, you made it halfway up Everest, good work, good walk. No, fuck that. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. Aim for excellence. If you've got a test that you have to pass, fuck thinking, oh my God, I'm just going to pass, I'm just going to pass, I'm just going to pass. Aim for 100%, because if you aim for 100% and passing is 75%, naturally, of course, you're going to fucking pass, right? That's not even a thought. At the end of it, you're sitting there going, oh my God, did I get 100%? You're not sitting there going, oh my God, did I pass? So this is a shift in your mindset, and it's about stepping up and committing to excellence over mediocrity, because too many people are being conditioned, I feel, for it to be okay to just be mediocre. And I don't know about you, this is the only life that we've got, and the question you have to ask yourself is, if you went all the way out to the end of your life and looked back on your life and it was just okay, if it was just mediocre, would you be happy? So today's takeaway, the thing to take away from this video is, draw a line in the sand right now and decide to start living life to your max. Start giving 100%. Start aiming for excellence, because everything in your life will change as you make this a habit. It's like Aristotle said. He said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, it's a habit. So make excellence a habit today, because it will change your life. Anyway, that's today's daily video. Take care.